Welcome back, my brothers. In this video I'm going to add DLSS 4.5 to Elden Ring, even the XeSS or FSR upscaler. Also the frame generation are going to be added in this video. So first thing we have to do is downloading this file. All the links are in my Discord server. After that, extract this and then go here and here, copy those, go to your game folder location and paste. If you have the original copy of the game from Steam, you have to do this. Go to the file and open this document text, copy this comment and go to your Steam library and go to Elden Ring. I don't have Elden Ring, so sorry for that. Go to properties and then in the launch option, paste the comment. Why we are doing this? Because this add-on does not work with online version and maybe you are going to face problems with the anti-cheat. So what we done is disabling the anti-cheat and the online mode. Now after launching your game, make sure that the game is on offline mode. As I said, you have to play with the offline mode because maybe you are going to be banned or something. So if this doesn't work, try to find a solution for this problem. Now if you press home key in your keyboard, those two will be opened. Here, enable this option of CPU. It may be decrease the stutters in your game. In the other window, we have here frame generation. If you want to enable frame generation, for me, I will use FSR 3FG. It's good. And down here, you can choose your upscaler. For me, I'm going with DLSS because I have RTX GPU. If you have GPU that doesn't support DLSS, you can go with XeSS or FSR. The other option we have here is remove 60 FPS lock that comes with Elden Ring. It will lock the FPS to your monitor refresh rate. For me, my monitor is 60 Hz, so it doesn't matter, but for you, maybe it matters. And down here, you can choose the preset you want from DLSS. For example, preset L or M or K. K is DLSS 4 and L or M is DLSS 4.5. And after doing that, make sure to restart your game. After restarting your game, you can tweak your settings as you like, as any game. For me, I am using a 4K monitor, so I'm going to use the ultra performance or performance mode with preset L or M. You can choose wherever you want, preset K or something. Another thing, if you are facing a problem with the foliage ghosting or something like that, just make sure to disable the ray tracing and set global illumination to low. This going to fix the problem. For me, I didn't see this problem, but some people are facing this. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for the next and the future videos. More and better things are coming. Thank you for watching.